Hey friends, if you wish to add an image as a background in PowerPoint, then please watch this video. Now, one thing is that you can go to insert, you can add a picture, you can pick it up from this device and you can add it, but this is only for one slide. This will be added to that slide. What if you have so many slides here, different slides? What would you do in that case? So if you want to add a picture as background such that it becomes a part of the design and no matter what slide you add, it will remain there. Click on design. Click on Format Background. Select this option Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Insert. Select from a file or wherever you want to. Select the picture. Click on Insert and now this picture has been inserted and it will remain the same on all slides if you select it accordingly. Click on Apply to All. See, it became it for all these slides. If you wanted to keep it for one slide, then that's a different thing. But in that case, you could have just inserted the image. But if you want it for all the slides, then you can add it accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.